So basically this is just one homework help problem. This is day 2 of rate of change from a context. And the one I'm going to do is number 7, because number 7 is pretty tricky. There's a lot more going on than just finding rate of change and unit rate. For this one on number 7, you're also talking about profit. How much money you make after you deduct the amount that you paid for the supplies or for whatever item you're selling. In this case, number 7 says Cameron is selling pies at a cherry festival to raise money for her local volunteer fire department. She sells 85 pies for $12 each. The supplies to make the pies cost Cameron $340. Here's my question. I always say highlight what it's asking. What is the unit rate of profit for each pie? So that's our key. We're going to be talking about profit per pie. Now we're going to go back and look at the information given. We know that she sold each pie. She sold 85 pies for $12. If we go ahead and multiply, we can go ahead and cross multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. Bring our 1. 8 times 2 is 16. Add our 1. That's going to give us 17. Put your placeholder. We're going to multiply. Anything times 1 is itself. And add straight down. In this case, I'm going to get 0. This is 12, so I'm going to carry the 2 over. And this is 10. So in this case, she made $1,020. But there's a catch. Right here, it cost her $340 for the supplies to make the pie. So our profit is after we deduct the supplies. So this is the amount made. So amount earned. We'll put that instead. Earned. And we want to find out the profit. So profit, we're going to do it here. And that is taking the amount you earned, which is $1,020, and subtracting the amount you paid for the supplies. 0 minus 0 is 0. I need to borrow here. Okay, this will turn into a 0. This will turn into a 10. 2 cannot take away from 4. So this will borrow. And this will be 12 minus 4, which is going to be 8. Here, I'm going to have 9 minus 3, which is 6. Okay? So this represents that she made $680 profit. But that doesn't tell me for each pie. Now we need to go back to the context. She sold 85 pies. So we're going to, this is the profit here. Okay? We're going to divide by how much we're dividing by how many pies she sold. So if we divided 600 divided by 85, we're going to find out that it's $8. Okay? So she earns $8 profit for one pie. This one was a little more complex because you actually have to go back, look at the context. What information is given to you? You're given how many pies are sold, for how much, and then how much the supplies cost. So you had to figure it out how much was earned, how much the profit was, and then make a rate of change for that. Because by dividing by 85 pies from your total profit, that tells you how much money you're making off of each pie, which in this case was $8. So Cameron will profit $8 for each pie sold. The real thing is just to go back to the context and look at what it's really asking you and find all the information necessary in your problem. Good luck, you guys. All 4 problems are due, 5 through 8, tomorrow. Thank you.